Whether you are a freshers or experienced candidate, the one skills you need to master to land a good job in IT industry is not a programming language but data structure and algorithm. I will talk about the couple of things about the data structures and algorithms. Data structure and algorithms you cannot learn just by reading the books. It's all about practicing, and the more you practice, the better you become. Myself, Anirudh Chaudhary from csstack.org. Today I'm going to give you actionable plan like how you can master your data structures or algorithm skills to land a good job. Watch this video till the end. I got a lot of queries from the students, freshers, and the experienced candidate asking me about how they can improve their data structures and algorithm skills. I have curated the complete list of actionable plan on the and also shared the more than 40 data structure and interview coding questions that will help you to improve your coding skills. That will also help you to improve your logic building skills, and this will also improve your data structure skills. I will share the link of this tutorial so you can also go through it. I will just give you walkthrough right now how you can make the best use of this tutorial to improve your data structure skills. So the first actionable step is like you have to choose the weapon. Your weapon is nothing but your programming language. You can choose any programming language that you are comfortable with, and if you are not sure about which programming you should go for, just go for Python. This is the most easiest programming language that you can learn, and it has really good scope, and Python is very versatile. So you can use it for the data you can use it for data science, machine learning. You can also develop the web application. So if you are really doubtful which programming language you should use, then just go for the Python. You can go through the complete tutorials. I suppose like in Python, so we have already listed the complete Python tutorial on our portal. So if you can go through one by one all the tutorials to learn the programming language. Similarly, we have tutorial for C, C++, and Java. Just go through that. Now the second step is choosing your battlegrounds. You might be thinking I'm a crazy out over here, but what I'm saying is like you don't need to do any setup on your systems. You can execute your code online compiler. So we have a CSS stack. We have developed the online compiler. What you have to do is just you have to click your execute code online. It will open the online IDE that we have developed where you can execute C, C++, Java, Python program. So just write your program, click on execute button, it will execute your program and it will show the output. What I'm saying is you don't need any kind of setup to execute your program to practice coding. Now we are coming to the most important steps, and I need all your attention here. So here I'm listing down all the interview coding questions that will help you to improve your coding skills. I have categorized them based on the data structure so that you can go one at a time. And these coding questions will help you to improve your data structure knowledge. It will also improve your logic building skills, and obviously if you improve this data structure knowledge and logic building, it will also improve your programming skills. If you make the best utilize of this interview coding questions, whether you are fresher or experienced candidate, no one can stop you from mastering the data structure and algorithm. I will share the link of this tutorial. I would suggest you to bookmark this page because I will keep adding more interview coding questions in this list. So this is like array is one of the very basic data structure, and it's obvious like every programmer should know about these data structures. There are some questions that you should practice. So these are some questions. Then the sorting algorithm. Sorting is a very basic algorithm. There are different sorting types like in selection sort, insertion sort, bubble sort, quick sort. So you can go one by one sorting algorithm, try to implement them in your programming language. Then there is a linked list is very useful data structures. It is used in many projects. So this is like how to create a linked list, how you can reverse the linked list, how to find the middle element in the linked list. There are a lot of many questions has been asked from the linked list in the interviews. After array and linked list, one of the very basic data structure is a string. There are a lot of questions has been asked in the string handlings, like what is a palindrome string, how to check whether the given string is palindrome or not, what is anagram string, how to check whether the given string is anagram or not. There are a lot of questions that has been asked in the interviews on the string handling. So I have already listed some of the very famous and important coding questions from the string handling. You just go through them one by one. Now the next data structure is binary tree. This is the advanced data structures, and if you are preparing for the product based companies, you can expect a lot of questions from the binary trees. It's like introduction to the binary tree, how to create a binary tree traversal, how to implement the binary tree traversal, like pre-order, in order, post order traversal, write a program to find the height of the binary tree, then how to implement the level order traversal, what is the mean and max heap, and then how to find the ancestor of the given node, and then there is a program like how to find the lowest common ancestor in binary tree. So these are the questions that has been already asked in many of the product based companies. You can just go through them. Then there is a bit manipulations. We all know that computer only understands zeros and ones, that is bits. So you should be knowing like how to find the first complement, second complement, how to convert the decimal number to the binary, and vice versa. So these are the some questions you should prepare. So I have listed down the 40 interview questions right now. I will keep adding more questions to this list. So what you can do the next is, I already tried to give answer to all of them. So some of the questions that has not been answered, like these questions. So what I would suggest is just try to use our IDE. You can use any programming language and write the code for that, and after that what you can do is just click on share your code button. It will open the form where you have to mention your name, email ID, programming language, and the source code that you have written, and the description about the program that you have written. Just share with us why you should share your code. So you will, whatever the articles or the tutorials you write on CSS Stack, it will be authored by you, so you will get exposure, and you learn more when you share with others. This is the one of the very important secrets if you want to improve your learning. If you have any questions about the data structure or about this tutorial, just write me in the comment. You can comment on our tutorial, or you can comment on this video as well. We also have YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and we also have a Facebook group. If you want to connect with the like-minded people, those are on the same mission as you are, just join our Facebook group. And importantly, share your success stories. Let us know how these tutorials are helping you to improve your data structure knowledge or to land a good job. Write in the comment. I'm pretty sure this will inspire many others. This is all about this video. If you really want to improve your data structure knowledge and the programming skills, what you have to do is just choose your programming language. Now the second step is like you use our battleground. You can just open our IDE and write your code, and you can use this IDE to practice coding. And now the third step is just go through all these interview coding questions, keep practicing, and no one can stop you. Become master of data structures. This is all about this video. We'll see in the next video.